Okay, so in this Google Business Profile Tip video, we're going to learn how to add products to your listing, but also we're going to learn and go over how to add your services as products to your listing and why this can kind of help you out. I don't think it really helps out the ranking. We've done experiments with this. That's arguable. But what it does do is it expands the amount of real estate your Google Business Profile page takes. It gives something more for your customers to interact with, and it can actually lead to more website clicks from your GBP page. So open up a new tab. I'm going to search your business's name. So first, excuse me, over here, this is what it looks like when you have these products added. As you scroll down, there's going to be a section that says products. Now, this is my son's welding business. He doesn't sell products per se, but what we've done and what we do for many of our clients is we add the services as products. Now, why do we do this? I'm going to show you. For one, I showed you on the search result, it gives you just more real estate on that page. It beefs up your Google Business Profile page a little bit. Almost makes it like a little mini website. But also, when I click one of these, we can have a picture, a little description, and when I click this, it's going to take us to that page, to that service page. And then down here, there's more per category, and that's about it. That's how it works. So if you wanted to add these yourself, you would go up here and edit products. And if you had none, it might say add products. The other thing I want to point out is not every business is going to have this tab. So if your category, Google does not allow products for that category, which I've seen. I think a recent one that we were working on was like a CBD company or something. The tab wasn't there. And so there's only most of them, but certain categories will open up this function for you. Okay, so in this case, it's there. I'm going to click Edit Products. Here's all my products. If I wanted to edit one of these or change something or add a price to it, I could do so right here. Or if I wanted to add a new product, or if you're starting fresh and you want to add a product and you didn't have any, this is where you go. And so you can, well, it looks like it's adding some AI functionality, which we're seeing a whole lot of these days. Every Google and every other company is kind of incorporating AI into their system. But you can add your product name, select a category, create a new category, or I was from the welding category already, product price, product description, and a URL and a photo, just like that. And then like everything else on the Google Business Profile page, right when you add it, there's probably going to be a pending time. It's not going to be automatically accepted, but most of the time it will always be accepted. The only time it won't might be if your image is, something that goes against Google's policy. But other than that, we've never had any problems with it. Okay, for how to do this on mobile, that link will be in the description or on this page. Stay tuned for the next Google Business Profile tip.